Racing our GT3 cars at Circuit Paul Richard, coming up next. Hey slot car fans, welcome back to another exciting race league starting down here at Monster Hobbies. This time around we are back to racing our GT3 cars. I actually have three, I can't hold the Ford from last race, but anyway, tonight we are racing at the famous Paul Richard race course in France to start this thing off. And if you want to build this great track, I want to show you how to do it over on our Patreon page. I'll leave the link below. You just need to scroll down the page and you will find it, along with many other tracks. So stay tuned to the end of this video when I'm going to be discussing a very special giveaway. And hey, all you guys that are currently in that giveaway contest, we have just hit 4,000 subscribers. I want to give this thing away when we hit 5,000 subscribers. Woo! Pardon me. And we are very close, like 1,000 more people subscribing to the channel, then the giveaway will begin. So thank you for helping me reach my goals. And to further this along, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And let's get this personal video here, let's get it up to 100 likes. And without further ado, let's race Paul Richard.
Who's 2-5? Who's 2?
6-3-1. Two?
Wow.
I'll never get in first place when I'm trying to fit.
2-5-6-3-1.
Oh, now I'm way down. I've probably gone down to almost last.
2-6-5-3-1. Oh, geez.
Oh, hold that, sorry. Almost hit the floor. Oh, you know what? I don't think I set the timer.
No, we're on the curve. I know it sinks.
Oh, you didn't press the timer, did you?
So we're pretty loud, so 45. Yeah, we're at 5:42.
We're at what?
I'll get your car. I'll get your car.
Okay, that's it.
So are we stopping now?
Sorry. 2-5-6-3-1. And wasn't that a fantastic race? So here we are at the end of it, at the end of the Paul Richard circuit in France. I've got 48 points, Josh has 43, Howard has 31, Kevin got 34, Mark was not available for comment, Glen has 28, and Alan has 12. So let's see where that puts us in our league standing so far. And here we are at the standings. I'm in first place with 48, Josh is second with 43, Kevin is third with 34, Howard is fourth with 31, Glen is in fifth with 28, and Alan is in sixth place with 12. And wasn't that a very exciting race? And it was so nice to see Alan come back again, even though he only made it from races 4 till 8. But that's okay. Next week, hopefully he will make it for race 1 and be in the video. So yeah, it was good to win the first race night of this league. Maybe I can keep that going for the whole thing and get to be able to keep the giveaway car at the end. However, speaking of giveaway, there is one that I will be giving away, and that is this great Carrera tow truck. It's got a drop-down hatch. You can hook any car up to it except for F1s because of the long nose. the lights go and there is a horn, and I want to give this thing away when our video channel here reaches 1,000 likes. We're already at 4,000. Not likes, subscribers. Sorry, we're already at 4,000 subscribers, so just one more 1,000 to go, and hopefully that won't take too long, and then this could be somebody's. So in order to get in on that deal, go and check it out on our video coming up at the end of this video. And again, if you want to build these great tracks, come join our masterclass by clicking the video that's going to be coming up here. There'll be two, one for this, one for the masterclass. You guys will be able to find it. You're pretty smart, I know that for sure. Okay, so next week we'll be at another great race. So come on down and check that out. And until next time, happy racing!